The WHO has reported 3,07,930 new cases in the last 24 hours. Japan's ruling party elects Yoshihide Suga as a PM successor. Pakistan has been awarded the Global Islamic Leadership Award in recognition of its effort for the promotion of Islamic financing. US and Iran battle over sanctions at the World Court. India coronavirus cases surged to 4.85 million. The UAE and the United States have signed an agreement to enhance the diplomatic immunity of both countries' consular staff. Israel to lock down nationwide in main holiday season amid COVID-19 surge. In Lebanon, 3 army soldiers have been killed during an operation against militants near the city of Tripoli.